There's Pepe coming in for a landing. It's my iPod Touch on the bottom of my Trojan here. All I have on here are some Velcro straps. So hopefully this isn't the last time I see my iPod. Alright, hopefully that'll hold up. And it hasn't moved this long. Welcome back to Earth, iPod. Thanks, man. Thank you. SRQPD loves us.